Hi, my name is Alec here at Vern Eide Honda in Sioux Falls. Today we're going to talk about a Honda sensing feature called Adaptive Cruise Control. Basically, the way how this works is you are going to press the top left button on the right hand side of the steering wheel to engage your adaptive cruise control. To start it, you are actually going to press the set button to maintain your vehicle's speed. This is going to basically speed you up or slow you down based off of the vehicle speed in front of you. You're able to customize the amount of distance that you have between yourself and the vehicle in front of you by pressing the bottom left side of the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel. And basically each bar gives you an extra car length of distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. This will also bring you to a complete stop if you do happen to hit a big block of traffic. But as far as it goes, Honda Sensing is meant to be a very convenient feature here for you for your long distance road trips, and also in town just if you're happen to look around and just enjoy the views too. But we'd love to talk to you more about this in person here. Again, my name is Alec at Vern Eide Honda. Hope to see you soon.